guys, do like you see guys the new market Kacha Bazar. I mean Kacha Bazar because the name Bazar jar first. Guys, ask me, earrings have been damaged, right? Light. I'm swapping this. And guys, look at this, it's a light lagging. Guys, I love rain. Actually, that thing is in the car system will be damaged. That's why I have closed the sliders. It's totally lagging, guys. Someone know what does lagging mean? It's lagging, guys. Yo, dirty. Is this the car? Dirt. Yo, guys. Yeah, this is amazing. Yo, I have opened this. Wow. Magic tape open. Guys, yep. Definitely like this, what like it? Guys, it's
Porsche.
like a Porsche. Guys, totally, this. Guys, it's very lagging. Very raining here. Splash, then it makes like what car destroyed. Oh well guys, I want to introduce my driver uncle. This is E. Alamin Malla. And uncle is E. Yeah. Follow him as Arjazan Islam. And anyway, it's a lagging. You guys, I like this. So it's a rainy day today. I guess it will be rain tomorrow or something. So it's for today, guys. Bye, and inshallah I will get another video for you.